Top-notch quality, BOXGROVE Beauty Cuticle Nipper is made up of 100% surgical-grade stainless steel to assure durability and can be sterilized without rusting. It's a must-have tool in nail care kit for both men and women. Durable sharp nail nippers blades are sharp enough to cut skin near the cuticle area without nipping the skin. It removes the dead skin on the nails and beautify the edges of the nail, which makes it easier to apply nail polish. ERGONOMIC Design Premium Quality Double Spring allows smooth, comfortable, greater accuracy and easy cutting action. Ergonomic Design of Cuticle Cutter gives you more control and grip while holding and cutting. Perfect Design. Professional design of cuticle trimmers gives you optimal control ease for cutting cuticles and dead skin even in the tiniest areas around the fingernails or toenails which are hard to reach otherwise. Easy to clean. Cuticle remover tool is very easy to clean. Simply wipe the blades with alcohol after use and slide the spring down for storage. The moving joint may be lubricated with paraffin oil occasionally for smooth functionality over time. Top reviews from the United States. Very durable. I bought a pair of these cuticle nippers a year ago and they've held up amazing since. They don't get stuck every time you cut and are sharp for more accuracy. Ordering another pair as backup, that's how much I like them.